making a course is an insane amount of work. Okay, like it's bonkers how much work goes into making a course, because you have to create what we call a roadmap. I'd show you one that I have right now. Probably shouldn't, because it's going to spoil a whole bunch of stuff, but it's a lot of work to create a roadmap. You know, what is the big thing that we're trying to teach? So like, for example, the most recent course that we were working on back when I filmed a video in 2022, but has since been released, which you should totally go check out. It's called the Golden Vocal System. And it's all about Matthew Steeper's tried and true, amazing vocal production system that he's used with some of the biggest people in the world. Take that, for example. Okay. So Matt comes to me in 2019, so we've been working on this for a long time, right? As far as like conceptualizing it and filming it and editing it and all the stuff. And he says, I want to make this course about vocal production. I'm like, that sounds awesome. And so over time, we kind of flesh it out. You know, what should module 1 look like? What should module 2 look like? What about the chapters or the sub-modules inside of module 1? What about each lesson? What needs to be covered? It takes a lot of work to go over all the concepts that go inside of that. And then we refine it more and more and more. And remember, before, when we were starting on this is before like AI, we didn't have ChatGPT or anything like that to kind of throw ideas at and have it throw back at us. So, you know, like we were doing this all like organic manpower. And again, this is with every course. This isn't just with the Golden Vocal System. This is with School of Bass, Craft Masterclass, Beat Secrets, like all the stuff, right? It is a ton of work. And then there's the filming of it, right? And let me just say, getting a studio ready to film, insane. Like literally me prepping for recording this right now, it took me like 2 hours to get the lighting right, to make sure they're the right shades. There's not too much on the back of my neck. Like you can see the shot. I can't remember. It's either that one or that one, where you can see like the light on the back of my neck. I had to make it so it could light up the background, but not too much of it. Like it's a lot, right? And then when you have 2 people filming, you know, like me and Crywolf, or me and Matthew Steeper, or me and KJ Soccer, or me and AE5, whatever that, like it just times it by 2, and it's insane, right? And so there's that. And then sometimes you have to refilm, right? So maybe you film it, maybe something went wrong, camera turned off, forgot to hit record, whatever, right? Or, you know, things weren't said right, or things could be said better. It's so much work, right? Like it's insane. And that's just the recording part. Then there's the editing part. And the editing part, holy crap, dude. Like it is, put it this way, right? This episode, this video that I'm recording right now, I don't know how long it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be longer than an hour. It's gonna take 5, 6, 7 hours to finish this video, color grading, editing right, intros, outros, graphic effects, you know, exporting times, all the stuff. It takes quite a while. Now, if you do that for 30 hours, it's insane. DAW Nation, listen very closely. This is not the end to this content. This was a teeny tiny little snippet from our full episode. You can check out the full episode in the link in the description. And when you go to the free episode, you can get a free pack over there. So go check it out right now. Why are you still here? Get out of here. Go check it out. We'll see you over there.